We'll guide you through how to use the Printify free plan effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. From here, click on Catalog at the top menu to explore the wide range of products you can customize. Take your time to browse through categories like clothing, accessories, home and living, and more. When you find a product that catches your eye, click on it to start customizing. You'll be taken to the design editor where you can upload your own designs or use Printify's built-in tools to create something unique. Make sure your designs are high quality and fit well within the product's print area. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Save and then Add to Store to connect it with your e-commerce platform. If you haven't connected to Store yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Printify supports integrations with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, making it easy to manage your products and orders. After your store is connected, you can set your product details like title, description, and pricing. Remember, with the free plan, you can still access a vast network of print providers worldwide. So choose one that fits your needs in terms of pricing and shipping options. Once everything is set up, make sure to hit publish to get your product live on your store. Monitor your sales and consider upgrading to a paid plan if your business grows and you need more features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.